Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the examples based on tangent and normals. First one is find the point at which tangent to the curve is given to you and its slope is also given. You know tangent to the curve means derivative is given to you. So we can find the derivative of this function very easily. We have done. So differentiate with respect to x, dy upon dx is equal to 1 upon 2 and root 4 to 4x minus 3, and this is a 1 has no value, you will keep it same. And you know how it came, you have to take the derivative of inside. So 4x derivative is 4, 3 will be 0 because it is a constant. Then I simplify it, 2 to the 4, 2 and root 4x minus 3. And slope means the tangent of the curve. Slope is also given, you have also find from the curve. So both will be equal because both are working as a slope. So after that I have done squaring on both side. 9 is equal to 4x minus 3. Square will be changed, it will become square and square will be removed from here. So 9 plus 3 is equal to 4x. 12 upon 4, that is x. So you got x equal to 3. If x is 3, then you will put here 4 into 3 minus 3 minus 1. So I put the values, and with the help of 12 minus 3, that is root 9. 9 is 3 square. Square cancel with root. 3 minus 1, that is 2. So you got that point you want, because curve is also given, slope is also given, and you have to find what? Find the point. Next is find the equation of tangent. Now you have to find equation of tangent to the curve is given to you at a point when it cuts x-axis. Remember this thing. If any line is cutting to x-axis, it means its y coordinate will be 0. So y will be 0. Then I kept y is equal to 0. Then you will see by cross multiplication denominator will become 0. So x is 7. So you got the coordinate. When x is 7, y is your 0. So after that I have to take its derivative. Firstly I multiplied them. Y into these will kept here equal to x minus 7. So differentiate with respect to x. Firstly function derivative, both I kept same. You know how to take the derivative of 3. First derivative 2 same, then second derivative, you know कि this will become what? This become 1 and this is 0. So 1 only. Y into x minus 3 plus x minus 2 into y is equal to x minus 7 derivative is what? 1. Then you will see कि only this term is of dy of dx contained and others I shifted. Firstly I have taken y as a common. X minus 3 plus x minus 2 is equal to 1. Dy upon dx, firstly 1 minus y, 2x minus 5 upon it will come in its denominator. So you know what is the coordinate, you got already in starting 70. I put here, so I got 1 upon 20. You have to find what? Equation of tangent. So equation of tangent is y minus y1 mx minus x1. x1 y1 is your passing point. You already calculated the coordinate. I put, and slope also you got. So after putting value you will find the answer.